Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Okay, my name is Engineer Simon Ozoma. Welcome to Simtech Properties. Okay, it's been a while I posted a video on this my YouTube channel because of so many projects we have all over the country. Most time I'm always on site to direct my workers on what to do and what not to do. That was the reason why we've not been posting different content in this our project. This our Facebook channel. Okay, now let me update us. Let me just post this one. But I'll be from now henceforth. I'll be giving us update at least once in a week or twice in a week concerning our project. Okay, now this is a project we are actually doing at Enugu Ezike, which is in Enugu State. This particular project is a 5-bedroom duplex, which I've posted some of the videos, like when we did the foundation to DPC. I posted it here. When we did the from DPC to lintel, I also posted it here. When into decking, I also posted it here. Even the first floor, I posted some videos, series of video concerning this project in Enugu Ezike. Okay, right now we've done the roofing, the parapet, the roofing, the plastering, the POP, and other thing. We also did the fencing of this particular project. You can see what we have here. The fencing, the roofing, the POP and other things, the plastering and everything. Okay, in this video I'll be giving us the carcass, which is from the foundation to the roofing, which we call carcass. That's what I'll be giving us. But what we have here is the plastering and other thing. But what I'll be giving all details is the carcass, which is from foundation to the roofing of this particular house. Okay, I'll be giving us the breakdown of what it cost us to get to this stage and other things that we did, any other thing that we did concerning this project, which is a 5-bedroom duplex. We have 1 room downstairs, and then we have a 4-room up. Like I said in my previous video, this house comprises of a kitchen, dining, other things. We have kitchen down, we have a dining down. Then the up, we only have the rooms, which are the 4 rooms, the lobby, and they are all en suite, which means they have all their toilet and bath. All the rooms have their own toilet and bath. You can see the structure of this house. This is exactly what the client said he want. The client actually got the house from Lagos. I think it was in Lekki side of Lagos. He got the house. Then he sent us the video of the house and told us that this is exactly what he wants us to build. Okay, and we gave him the drawing of the house. We had to give him the drawing of the particular house, and he said he liked it, and he asked us to come and start the project, which we started, and we gave him exactly what he asked us to do, and the client is so happy. Okay, now I'll be giving us the breakdown of what we did, the cost, the materials, and everything that we did concerning this project. In my previous video, I've shown us the rooms, how the rooms look like from the down to the up, the measurement of the rooms, the window, the parlor, everything, the dining. I've shown us in my previous video what we have on this particular building. So you can see how beautiful and well structured this particular building is. This is exactly the directive of the client, exactly what you want, and we gave him exactly what he wants. Can see how beautiful and structured we did this particular building. Okay, everything is well intact. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, this building we did it stage by stage. We actually did it on stage by stage. This from foundation to roofing has 6 different stages. The first stage is from the foundation to DPC. Second stage is from DPC to the lintel leveling. Then the third stage is the decking. Then the fourth stage is the first floor. Fifth stage is the the parapet, while the last stage, which is the sixth stage, is the roofing. The roofing. Okay, this is exactly the step that we took in order to achieve this. We did it stage by stage according to the client, and the client was consistent, and we actually got to this stage. Okay, so let me start from the foundation to DPC. How much did we spent from foundation to DPC? Now take note that what I will be saying here are all the material that we use. Now the labor fee is not included. Okay, we spent from foundation to DPC. We spent about 4.2 million naira in order to achieve this foundation to the DPC, which is the first stage. Then the second stage, which is the DPC to lintel and leveling of the block, we spent about 3.1 million naira, which is the second stage, 3.1 million naira. Okay, now the third stage, which is the decking, of this particular house, we spent about 9.5 million naira. Yes, about 9.5 million naira for this stage to deck this. Okay, now the first stage, which is the first floor stage. Okay, how much did you spend on this stage? You spent about 4.3 million naira. Yes, 4.3 million naira for this first floor, which is the fourth stage. Okay, now the fifth stage, the parapet. Okay, let me just combine parapet and the roofing. The parapet and the roofing, which is the fifth and sixth stage, we spent about 7.5 million naira for this the parapet and the roofing. 7.5 million naira exactly. That's the amount we spent for this parapet and roofing. Now the total amount that we spent for this project, which is from foundation to the roofing, which is the carcass of this particular house, total amount that we spend is about 30 million naira in order to achieve this magnificent house. 30 million naira. Like, take note, like what I said earlier, that what this 30 million naira is all the materials, which is the sand, the cement, the shippings, the blocks, and the everything that has to do with material. This is the amount that we spend, which is the 30 million naira. The labor fee is not included in this particular estimate. Okay, let me explain to you. Now, this house, the size of this house, or the dimension of this house, is 162 square meter. 162 square meter is the dimension of this house. For those that want to build bigger house, take note that the amount will be bigger based on your project, or based on the dimension of your house or the size of your building. Okay, I still remain engineer Simon Ozoma. Okay, what I do here is I help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a beautiful and a wonderful home. If you have any project you want us to handle for you anywhere in Nigeria, is it in Western, North Nigeria, Eastern Nigeria, just name any place in Nigeria, give us a call, and we give you exactly what you want. Our phone number is on the screen right now. Call us and tell us what you want. We give you exactly what you want. We give you a professional job. For those coming here for the first time, click on the subscription button and subscribe our channel. On this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building a house. When it comes to material costs, we give everything here free of charge. You can share this video to your friends and loved ones, and they will appreciate you for doing that. Thank you for watching, and see you other time. Bye. This is Simtech Properties.